Right now, the big trend today is, in the old days when you did siding, you picked one style of siding and you put it on your home. Lap siding, vertical siding, whatever, and that's it. Now, because you have so many different styles and varieties of siding to choose from, it's more of a sit down and design your home. How do you want your home to look? We can change the appearance of it. We can emulate what you have too, but you can change. So like one of the things we have a problem with in our industry is we do our best to try to set the appointment with all the homeowners. And for whatever reason, because we all have busy schedules, it's like, well, the wife can't be here tonight, or the mister can't be here today, or whatever the combo is. And we really battle to try to get both of them there. And they, of course, assume it's because we want to come out and high pressure them into selling something, which we do want to sell them something, I won't lie. But it's also because there's so many decisions to make, and that affects the price. It's like, I'll just use this as an example. My wife is more concerned about the aesthetics of our home than I am. That matters more to her than it does to me. But there are some things about our home that I very much care about how they look, that attracted me to our home. And if she was to change these things, I would be like, why did you change that? I liked that, or whatever. And maybe she doesn't realize that. And so we try to avoid that situation when we set appointments, because you're going to sit down and you're going to design, I want Dutch lap siding here. I want shake shingle here. I want vertical siding here with contrasting trim here. And then on this side, I want to go back with 4x8 or 4x10 sheets of vertical siding. And over here, I want to have board and back. We do that. It's that complicated. And I mean, when you look at homes, when you look at very nice homes, there's a lot of architectural design on the exterior of that home. And there's a lot that goes into it. It's not just, well, hey, what do you think? Let's do this. And it matters because that all prices differently. There's not just one set price for, hey, we side your house nice or we side your house plain. It's the same cost. No, fancy costs more than simple. It's more work, it's more material, it's more cost. And so to give an accurate bid, we have to have all that decided out. And it's all done on computer now. It's not like I can work this up in 3 seconds and give you a different bid. It's I have to input this, I have to input this, I have to input this. We have to build this to price it properly. Well, if you keep building it, no, build it this way, no, build it this way, no, build it this way, and stuff like that. Well, it's a whole day of building basically to do that. Whereas if you can sit down with both homeowners or all homeowners, they can say, no, I want this here, so that we can give them an accurate bid to the penny right then and there, so they know what it is they're dealing with. But also, it kind of forces them to make a decision about, yes, I do want this on the front, or no, I do not like that. It's like homeowners don't talk to each other about, do you like the vertical siding on the front of the house? That's not part of the conversation. There's too many other things going on in life to worry about that. So when we're there, we find out the answers to these questions so that we know what both of them are into, or all of them are in tune to, what they're thinking, what they're liking, what they're doing, and all that stuff, so that we can price accordingly, so that when they are ready to make that decision, they know what the real cost is.